Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss the PYQs of RRB Group D, which was held on 24th August 2022 in Shift 1. In last live session, we discussed some questions in the same paper. In this live session, we are going to discuss some more questions which were asked in the same paper. Okay, right. Shall we start the session? Right. See the question here. Q, W, E or T and Y. So, Q, W, E or T and Y live on 7 different floors of same building with one floor being vacant. Okay. So, here there are 6 members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, 6 members live on 7 different floors of the same building with one floor being vacant. The lowermost floor in the building is numbered 1, the floor above it number 2 and so on till the topmost floor is numbered 7. Okay. So, the lowermost building is number 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In that one building is vacant. Okay, right. See here, T lives on 7th floor. So here direct information is given. T lives on 7th floor and W lives on 1st floor. Okay, so W lives on 1st floor. See here, Q lives between E and R. Okay, so Q lies between E and R. So there are two cases, possibilities. One is like this, and another one is so R Q E. Okay, so see here, Q lies between E and R. There are two possibilities. One floor immediately above E is vacant. Okay, so see here, one floor immediately above is vacant means so there is no possibility of taking to second case. Why? Because in that above is vacant is there, but here Q is there, so this is wrong. Okay, take this is okay. So this is the possibility. Only Y lives between R and W. Here W is there, we can write R is here and we can write Y is here. Okay. So only Y lives between R and W. Okay, right. So what is the position we need to write here? Here R is there. Okay, Q E R. So above is a vacant position. Okay, so this is the information they given. So see the question. What is the question is they asked? The 5th floor is occupied by E. Okay, yes, automatically our data is filled. On which floor does Q lives? So see here, on 4th floor. Okay, right. So option 1 is correct. Okay, right. So shall we move to the next question? Right. As usual, one question is given from the area. Okay, here the question is find the area of parallelogram whose base is 15 centimeters and the corresponding height is 6 centimeters. Okay, so we know the formula of area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is what is the area? Base into height. They given base and also they given height. Our formula is area of a parallelogram is base into height. So they given base 15 and height 6 centimeters. Okay, so 15 centimeters into 6 centimeters, 15 6 90 centimeters square. Okay, so option 3 is correct. Okay, see that here we are seeing at least one question from area. Find the area of parallelogram, find the area of equilateral triangle, find the area of some particular question. Okay, so damn surely prepare one question for area. Okay, right. Next question. Right. See the question here. 1500 people visited an exhibition on Saturday. Okay, 1500 people visited an exhibition on Saturday, while 1680 visited on Sunday. Okay, so 1500 people visited on an exhibition on Saturday, while 1680 visited on Sunday. The percentage increase in the number of people visited the exhibition. So here 1500 is on a Saturday. Okay, 1680 is on Sunday. So what is the question? The percentage increased. So what is the difference here? 1680, 1500. So 08, 180. Okay. So 180 is what percent of 1500? Means 180 into 100 by 1500. Okay. So 0000 cancel. 15 ones are 15 ones are, and 30 is there, 15 twos are. So 12% is there. Okay, so 12% is increased compared to Saturday. Okay, right. Option 4 is correct. Okay, so right, next question. Right, see the question. 6 men and 8 women could finish a work in 14 days. 8 men and 12 women could finish the same work in 10 days. Okay, how much time would be taken to finish the same work if one man worked alone? If you see the question in the same paper which was held on 24th August 2022 in shift 1 itself, the same question was repeated. But the question is, but the question they asked means how much time would be taken to finish the work one woman. They asked one woman. Here they asked one man. Same question is given twice in the same paper. Okay, only they change one hint, that is how alone woman can do the work. Here how man alone can do the work. Okay, so they given we know the total work are 6 men plus 8 women complete the work in 14 days, which was equal to 8 men plus 12 women in 10 days. Okay, so this is the total work. Okay, right. So 2 sevens are 2 tens are. So 6 sevens are 42 men plus 56 women is equal to, sorry, 2 fives are 2 fives are. So 5 eights are 40 men plus 12 fives are 60 women. Send to the 40 left side. 2 women is equal to 4 women. So men by woman is equal to 4 by 2, nothing but 2 by 1. So man by woman is equal to 2 by 1. Okay, right. So men can do 2 units of work. Right. See here, what is the see the question, how much time would be taken to finish the same work if one man? So first of all, find the total work. Okay, so total work is equal to take this value or this value. I am taking 8 men plus 12 women into 10 is the total work. So 8 means 8 into 2 plus 12 into 1 into 10. So 16 plus 12 into 10, we get 28 into 10, we get 280. So 280 is the total work. So the total work is completed by one man, means 280 by efficiency of one man is 2. Here we find the value. So 2 ones are 2 140s. So 140 days. Yesterday we solved same problem. I also find the value already itself in the yesterday's live session. Okay, so 140 is correct answer. Okay, right. Next question. Right, these questions are also repeated twice in the same paper. This type of question, only they changed here one value. Okay, so what is the given means 4.32 into 4.32 minus 2.64 into 2.64 divided by 1.68. Okay, so in last live session we solved a similar type of problem. Okay, so again one more question is given on the same type. Okay, right. So if he's considered that here a square minus b square it written as a minus b into a plus b. So consider as this is a square, b into b square. Okay, right. So just write like this: 4.32 minus 2.64 into 4.32 plus 2.64 divided by 1.68. If you observe that, see here 4.32 minus 2.64. Okay, so minus 2.64 we get here 12 minus 4 8, here 2 is there, 12 minus 6 we get again 6 is there, here 3 minus 2 we get 1. Okay, so if you see that here we are getting 1.68 into 4.32 plus 2.64, we are getting 6.96. So into 6.96 divided by 1.68. 1.68 cancel, 6.96 is the answer. Okay, so only thing you need to remember the formula a square minus b square. Okay, right. So 6.96 option 2 is correct. Same type of problem is given in the same question paper. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question here. A can complete a certain work in 32 days. B is 60% more efficient than A. Okay, so in how many days can B alone complete the work? Okay, so suppose A will complete the work in 100 days according to so A's efficient of work is 100, B's efficient of work is 160. Okay, so A will complete the work in 32 days with the efficiency of 100. So nothing but it is total work, which was equal to, we don't know the how many days that B required to complete the work with efficient of 160. Okay, this is also total work, this is also total work. So X is equal to 32 into 100 by 160. So 16 ones are 16 twos are. So X is equal to 20 days. Okay, X is equal to 20 days. Okay, right. See the question answer. Option 2 is correct. Once again, see. So A is efficiency 100 efficiency. According to the question, B has 160 efficiency. Why? Because 60% more efficient than A. Okay, so 32 into 100 we get total work. Then 160 into X we get total work. So which was equal, 32 into 100 is equal to X into 160. This is the total work, this is also total work. Okay, so X is equal to, we get by simplification we get 20 days. Option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Next question. Right, see the question here. Chandrasekhar sold 12 identical articles for 420, incurring a loss equal to the cost price of 7 such articles. Okay, so the cost price of one such article is. Okay, right. Suppose before going to solve this question, I will explain a simple example. Let us take 12 articles. Each article price is 1. Okay, each article price is 1. So for 12 articles, the cost price is 12. So he said that he occurred a loss which was equal to cost price of 7 articles. So each article 7 means okay, each article 1 means 12 minus 7, you get 5 cost price. Okay, right. I hope you are getting. So each article price is 1. So total cost price of 12 articles is 12. In that they are occurring a loss which was equal to 7 cost price. Okay, 7 cost price. So just subtracting minus we get 5 cost price. So right, same take this question. So 5 we don't know the cost price, here taking 1 and we get the cost price. 5 cost price is equal to 420. So cost price is equal to 420 by 5. Okay, cost price is equal to 420 by 5 means 5 ones, 5 eights, 5 fours. Cost price of each article is 84. Okay, getting? So 12 just I am taking an example here. So 12 articles, you are considering each article price is 1. So according to the question, cost price of 12 articles is 12 rupees. So but they given the question, they are occurring a loss which was equal to 7 articles cost price. So just subtract the 12 articles, 7 from 12 articles, we get 5 cost price. Okay, so 5 cost price is nothing but they given 420. So 5 CP is equal to 420, we get cost price of each article is 84. Okay, right, next question. Right. See the question here. 5 girls, Amita, Fauzia, Gargi, Ranjita and Suchita are sitting in a straight line. All are facing to north direction. All are facing to north direction. Okay, Suchita sits second to the left of Gargi. Okay, Suchita to sit second to the left means this is the first left, second left. Suchita means here Gargi is there. Okay, Suchita is sits to the second left of Gargi. Fauzia sits third to the right of Suchita. Okay, so first right here, second right here, third right is Fauzia. So Fauzia. Okay, right. Next, only one girl is sitting between Amita and Ranjita. Okay, only one girl is sitting between Amita and Ranjita. So here total there are 5 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4 already completed. Only possibility of writing here Amita one case or Ranjita. Okay, so Amita is not at extreme end. So here only one possibility is that here Ranjita is there, here Amita is there. Okay, so once again see the question. 5 girls are sitting in the facing sitting in, all are facing north direction. Suchita sits second to the left of Gargi. Yes, Suchita sits second to the left of Gargi. Fauzia sits third to the right of Suchita. So Fauzia sits third to the right of Suchita. Right. Only one girl is sitting between Amita and Ranjita. So only one girl, Suchita, is sitting between Amita and Ranjita. So Amita is not at extreme ends. Okay, right. So what is the question? Which 2 girls are sitting at extreme ends? So Ranjita, Fauzia are sitting at extreme ends. So option 1 itself correct. Ranjita and Fauzia are sitting at extreme ends. Okay, right. Next question. So one more question given. P, Q, R, S, T, U and V are 7 kids sitting around a square table facing the center. 3 of them are sitting at the corners while 4 other were sitting at the exact center of the sides. One of the corner was empty. Okay, so I am taking like this. They are sitting in a square table. So all are facing a center, all are facing a center, all are facing a center, all are facing a center. Okay, all are facing a center. Okay, so in that one corner is empty. You sit at one of the center of sides. Okay, U sits one of the center. I am writing here once. I am taking here one center. U sits one of the center. Okay, was second to the right of T. Okay, suppose U is sit here. it was second to the right of T, means here T is there. Okay. So, see the question once again. You sit at one of the center of the sides S was second to the right of T S. There was one empty chair between P and U. So, there was one empty chair between P and U. There is no possibility of writing P here, only one possibility of writing P here. Okay, only one empty chair is there here. So, this is the empty corner. Okay, right. So, R and Q are diagonally opposite to each other. So, this is the empty space. So, only one possibility is there, R and Q are sitting diagonally. So, there are two cases. Okay, and see here, T was at immediate left of Q. So, we can write here. So, T, sorry, once again see here, T was immediate left of Q. Yes, this is correct. So, T was immediate left of Q. So, we can write here R. Okay, we can write here R. Okay, right. Next. S was to the immediate left of V. Okay, so immediate left of V, who is there? S. Okay, right. Okay, this is the actual information they given. What is the question? Who among the following was kid at corner position? Okay, so see that U is at center. Okay, S is also at center. V is sit at corner. Okay, option 3 is correct. T is also center. Okay, who among the following was the kid at corner position means V as the corner position in the option. Okay, option 3 is correct. Right, next question. Right, see the question. In a certain code language, MOX is written as MARKS. MOX is written as QEVOW and close CLOSE is written as GPSWI. Okay, so see here how will drive is written. How will drive DRIVE? How will drive is written? Okay, right. See that here in the place of M they written Q. See here M to Q we have 4 values is there. So M is 13, Q is 17. Okay, so plus 4 is there here, plus 4. So here A to E, see here A to here also plus 4. Okay, so R to V, here R is there, here plus 4. Okay, plus 4. So K to O, okay, K is 11, O is 15. So 11 plus 4 we get 15. Okay, plus 4. S plus 4, see that S is 19 plus 4 we get W. Okay, so what is the logic is plus 4. Here also C plus 4, C is 3, G is 7. So 3 plus 4 we get 7, that is G. So here also plus 4, here also plus 4. So here also plus 4, here also plus 4. Okay, so how is drive means, so in the place of E automatically we have I, in the place of V, see here V plus 4, 22 plus 4 we get 26, that is Z is there. So V plus 4 we are getting Z. So D plus 4 we are getting D plus 4 we are getting H. Okay, so D is 4, 4 plus 4 H is 8, R is 18, 18 plus 4 22, that is V. So I is 9, okay, 9 plus 4 13, that is M. Okay, so HVM ZI, HVM ZI, option 1 itself correct. Okay, right, next question. So they give it, find the median of particular data. Okay, so this is the continuous series data. We have the formula to find median, which is nothing but second quartile Okay, so what is the formula? L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency preceding to the frequency by frequency into length of the class interval. Okay, so first of all, before calculating the median, we must find the total frequency. Okay, so we must find the total frequency. Here median is there. So I am calculating cumulative frequency 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 7 we are getting 13, 13 plus 9 22, 22 plus 10 32, 32 plus 12 44, 44 plus 6 we are getting 50. So total frequency is nothing but 50. Okay, so first of all, we need to find n by 2. N by 2 is nothing but n is total frequency. 50 by 2, we are getting 25. Okay, so 25 is the n by 2. See here, after which cumulative frequency we are getting 25. So after 22 we are getting here 32. In that there is the 25 number is there. So this is the frequency and this is the lower limit. Okay, this is the frequency, this is the lower limit. So lower limit L is equal to 40, frequency is 10, n by 2 is 25, CF is which is preceding of frequency, that is 22, CF is 22 and length of the class interval is 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, length of the class interval is 10. So substitute these values in the equation, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into class interval. Okay, so this is nothing but a median. Okay, right. So L is 40 plus n by 2 is 25, cumulative frequency is 22, frequency is 10 into length of the class interval is 10. So 10 cancel, 40 plus 25 minus 22 3. So 43 is the median. So option 1 itself correct. So 43 is the median for the data. Okay, right. Next question. So see the question, one question is given an inequality Z greater than M is equal to A less than U greater than equal to Z greater than equal to L is equal to D. So see the option, A is equal to Z, is it correct? So A is equal to Z, no, we cannot stay a particular relation between A and Z, okay, this is wrong. And see G less than D, by seeing here G is greater than D, okay, G is greater than D, not less than D, okay, A greater than Z. So here see that Z is greater than A, by seeing it we can say Z is greater than A, but here A is greater than Z is wrong. Okay, next U greater than M, okay, see here M is, by seeing the information here, M is less than U can written as U is greater than M. Yes, option 4 is correct, and option 4 is correct. Next, right, see the question here, conversion of mixed recurring fraction into simple fraction. They given a recurring fraction, that is 0.27 bar. We need to convert in P by Q, which is nothing but a simple fraction. So how we can convert means, just write 27 minus 2. So write decimal, after decimal point 27 is there, 27 minus 2 minus 2. Why I am writing 2 means which digit doesn't having bar. Okay, by how many digits having bar? 1. So write 19. Okay, and how many digit are having doesn't bar? 1 digit doesn't having bar, write 10. Okay, so 25 by 90. So 5 5s are 5 18s. Okay, so once again see here 0.27 bar. So write 27 as it is, subtract with 2. Why? Because 2 doesn't having bar. by how many digits are having bar? One digit. So write 1 9. How many digit doesn't having bar? One digit. Write 1 0. Okay. So 25 by 90 we get simply 5 by 18. So 5 by 18. Sorry, here printing mistake is there. This is the 5 by 18. 5 by 18. Option 4 is correct. Okay. Right. Next question. Right, see the question. If the simple interest on a sum of money 8% per annum for 2 years is 1000. Okay, so 8% per annum, 8% per annum for 2 years, is 1000. Okay, so find the compound interest on the same sum for the same period at the same rate of in case of annual compounded. Okay, so same rate of interest, same year, same sum. Okay, it is compounded annually. So see here, then no need to write all formulas. See here, the simple interest for 2 years is 1000. So for every year the simple interest is 500. Okay, so for every year simple interest is 500. If you see that here, this is simple interest, this is compound interest. So for first year simple interest is same, compound interest is same. For second year simple interest is same, compound interest is same 500, but we need to calculate interest on simple interest. So what is the rate of interest? 8%. So 8% of 500 is 5 8s are 40. Okay, so total we are getting 500, 540. So 0.41040 is the compound interest for the same sum with the rate of 8% for 2 years is 1040. Option 3 is correct. Okay, you are getting. So simple interest is 1000 for 2 years, just divide by 2 we get what is the interest per year is 500. So for first year the interest is same for compound and simple interest. For second year the interest is same for simple interest, but here the interest is calculated on simple on interest. So what is the 8% of 500 is 40, and interest is calculated on principal is 500. So 500 plus 40 is the compound interest for second year, 500 is the compound interest for first year. So 540 plus 500 we are getting 1040. No need to apply formulas. Okay, right. So 1040, option 3 is correct. Next question. Right, 5 friends P, Q, R, S and T got jobs in 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994, 1995. Okay, Q got the job immediately before T. So Q got the job immediately before T. Okay, right. Next, R got the job immediately after P. R got the job immediately after P. Okay, right. Next, S got the job immediately after R. S got the job immediately after R. S got the job immediately after R. T got the job in the year 1992. They given directly. T got the job in the year 1992. According to the information, Q got the job immediately before T. Okay, so right, only 3 positions are pending. We can fill these positions P or S. Okay, right. So who got the job in the year 1995? So 1995, S got the job in the year 1995. Option 4 is correct. S. Okay, option 4 is correct. S. Next, see the question here. B, T, E, 11 is related to D, V, G, 120. Okay, in certain way. In the same way, P, A, N 9 is related to RCP 80. Okay, so to which of the following is GMT 12 related following the same logic? Here there is a certain logic, here also same logic. Which of the options will satisfy with certain logic for GMT 12? Okay, if you see that here B is 2, okay, D is 4. Okay, here we are seeing that plus 2. Okay, B, C, D. Okay, S, T, U, T, U, V. Okay, here T is 20, here V is 22. Okay, so 20 plus 2, 22. Here E is 5, here E is 5, here G is 7. So 5 plus 2, 7. So here here 11 is there, here 120 is there. If you see that 11 square is 121, 11 square is 121, minus 1 we are getting 120. So 11 square 121 minus 1, here they written 120. So here plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So P16, okay, P16, R is 18, okay, so plus 2, A is 1, C is 3, here also plus 2, N is 14, N is 14, okay, here plus 2, P is 16, okay, so see here 9 square is 81, minus 1, 80, okay, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, the number is getting square and subtracted with 1. So here see that G 7 is there, M 13 is there, T 20 is there. Here 12 square is 144, minus 1, 143. So here we need to write 143. So 22, G plus 2, we are getting 7 plus 2, 9, 9 means I. Okay, so M is 13, 13 plus 2 we are getting 15, so O as 15, okay, O as 15. And see here T is 20 plus 2, 22, 22 means V, okay, right. So IOV 143, IOV 143, option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. Okay, so plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, the number is getting squared and subtracted with 1. So these are the some questions which are asked in RRB Group D, which was held on 24/2 in shift 1. So if you want to see more videos like this, just like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel, My Skills, My Future. Thank you for watching.